Hey guys, so from today I will be trying to make daily AI news because there is so much happening and I want people to understand that this is not just ChatGPT or VO3, there is so much innovation. So I will be trying to do this daily, so subscribe if you don't want to miss any AI news. So first of all, Higgsfield AI released basically a 50 curated presets, fashion grade realism. So what this is basically a 50 presets with different styles of images that you can create for yourself. I mean, videos, also images, and this is much better looking than VO3. I know many people are really excited about VO3, the basically audio. This doesn't yet have the audio, but here you can see the images are actually looking ultra realistic, like taken with iPhone or other phone. This doesn't look like some professional cameras that look quite AI. So this is a huge update, and I can bet you that most of these image and Midjourney video companies, video AI companies are working on their basically sound. So there will be much better versions than VO3 for Google. So check this out if you are into video creation tools and image creation tools. So this is Higgsfield AI, and every link will be in the description below. Next thing is ElevenLabs. This is a voice design AI, and here you can see create any voice you can imagine with a prompt. So if we press play, there are basically with prompt you can here you can see you can basically create any voice in any language, any timbre. Here you see high pitch, harsh. So let's hear.
The final ingredient.
From the surreal to the serious.
This is strictly confidential.
From the poignant to the preposterous.
Greetings, Earthlings!
So that's basically what this means. You can create any type of voice. Of course, if you want to create a celebrity voices, it will be quite impossible, but there are many tools that you can work around and create, for example, some, I don't know, Michael Jackson, Tupac, Freddie Mercury type of voices. You just have to train the model, and there are some tools, some AI tools that you can use to create these voices, but not this one. This is, I mean, insane tool. You can copy and basically duplicate your own voice that you can add to, for example, AI created videos, faceless YouTube channels. So if you are into a voice design, check ElevenLabs is the best tool. Next thing is SUNO. SUNO is the best AI tool where you can create a music songs. You can basically merge two different genres that haven't been merged together in history. And they basically acquired a WavTool, which means that you will be able to edit your songs that you create with AI. You will be able to basically render trackouts, different basically drums, synths, piano separately from any song. So great innovation as well. Next thing is that Ring debuts in video descriptions. Ring is basically a camera, smart camera from Amazon. And what this means is that now it will be sending you basically notifications on what's happening. For example, here you see two people are peering into a white car in the driveway. So you will be seeing if someone is stealing or someone from your family is coming with a dog, and you will have a text notifications from the Ring app, which is quite insane. So you will not have to check the camera footage and basically scroll back what happened. You will basically have an AI text message, and it will tell you what is happening. So that's how far we are, which is amazing news. And if you click on this link, you will see that they have basically smart cameras like these ones. You have also inside home the 360 camera, and you have the ring bell camera. So if we go back, a video doorbell camera. So here it looks like here, like this, and you will basically see everyone that is at your door. So if you have trouble with some deliveries from Amazon or something like that, you can use this and you will see everything that's happening, or if some thieves are in your area. So again, great innovation. Next thing is that Google Labs just introducing Doppl, a new mobile app that lets you upload a photo or screenshot of an outfit, and then creates a video of you wearing the clothes to help you find your aesthetic. So again, great innovation, which means that you can basically upload or test any outfit for your body type, which in my opinion is like insane, because you don't have to go physically to any market to basically check if something looks good on you. So again, great innovation, and again, all the links are in the description if you want to check the app. Next thing is that Meta, Zuckerberg's company, is hiring Open AI people. So he's basically spending millions, even hundreds, tens of and hundreds of millions, signing the Open AI, basically software engineers, programmers. So yeah, Zuckerberg is fighting for AI. He understands this is a big deal, and AI is not going anywhere. I know many people think that ChatGPT is the big thing. I mean, it is a big thing, but there is so much more happening in the AI space. Next thing is Meta in talks to acquire voice cloning startup Play AI. So again, the Play AI has raised $23.5 million. Here you can see that basically the investors that have raised the money. And why this is important is because if they can raise money, millions of dollars, that means that this company is actually legit. And if Meta wants to acquire, this means that this is an actual insane and great AI project, startup. And yeah, you maybe if you go, you can actually clone voices of different people or celebrities, which is again crazy. And the next thing I want to show you is this Perplexity AI. If you don't know about this, I want you to check this out. This is really, really great. They raised around $500 million in May. The valuation is $14 billion. And this is an amazing tool. And yeah, check for yourself. I will make a full tutorial about this Perplexity. But if you don't want to wait, you just go on Twitter, find Perplexity. You will see some great descriptions and what this tool can do. I think this is different than ChatGPT or Gemini. This is different. And yeah, just check on their own social media. You will see before I make a tutorial, or you can just wait for a tutorial and review of this tool. So Perplexity AI is, I am really bullish. I mean, I'm really hyped about this project. So that's basically it for all the latest news. And again, I will be trying to make daily AI news from today. And if you enjoyed content like this, because I think there is no one that is making AI news daily. So if you enjoy content like this, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.